YouTube, check this out.
So what's up, guys? Sorry I haven't been posting too many videos of the 57, but right here I'm gonna attempt to start it and move it. You know, a few updates that I have done. I already put the throttle pedal, shift linkage, fixed the exhaust on one side, some sort. You know, I kind of pushed the pipes right before the rear end, you know, facing down to an angle, pointing towards the tires. And then this is what I'm kind of looking at. So I just hooked up the battery right there, and gas is going. You know, I'm just gonna hang it in there, which is cool about the 57s. They got that room to give you. It's kind of dark. All right, so I'm gonna try starting it. See wires all over. That's my seat. I couldn't get that seat bracket to go in. Yeah. Little tongue. Put foot on the brake just in case. Oh. So I went to the auto parts store real quick, got me some AC Delco. It might be that maybe I'm low, you know, maybe that I'm low on transmission fluid, so it doesn't have enough pressure. Let's see.